Hello, my dear children. This is the next module in the same chapter of features of Python. So far, we discussed about the literals. Within that, we discussed string literal, number literal. In string literal, we should have to discuss about single line strings and multiple line strings. Python allows to have two types of strings. What do you mean by string literal, which is in single line? Look at the example given. Name equal to KV and press enter. Python will show an error EOL while scanning the string literal. The reason is quite clear. Python by default creates single line string with both single quotes, and it must be terminated in the same line by quotes. My dear children, so we should have to aware about if you have to create a single line string, then the double inverted commas must be terminated at the proper line or at the same line. The next one we should have to discuss is multiple line string. Sometimes we need multiple lines in our programs. To store multiple line string, Python provides two ways. The first one is by adding a backslash at the end of a normal single or double quoted string. That is, look at the example given, 1/6 Mall Road, Kanpur. While getting the name literal, we will get 1/6 Mall Road, Kanpur in single line only. That means we can make single lines, whereas it should return only, that is the output will be in single line. If you want to make it in double line, now look at the example. Address equals double quotes, then 1/7 Preet Vihar, New Delhi, India. Now look at the print statement, print address. So what you will get? 1/7 Preet Vihar, New Delhi in the second line, then India in the next line. If you are printing only address or you are getting the value of address, it is in the output like 1/7 Preet Vihar /n. As we already discussed, what is /n? It is an escape sequence which is added for getting a new line. So while we are printing the address, we will get the output as in the multiple lines. Here notice we did not provide any backslash at the end of each line. If you are providing a backslash at each line, then it will be taken as a single line quote only. My dear children, for string literal, we are having by both single line and multiple line strings. This is the second example by typing the text in triple quotation mark. Here we had given triple quotation mark for a string value. That is why we get each and every line in separate lines as in output. Coming to the next one, the size of the string. Python determines the size of the string as count of characters. Count your name, that is the alphabets in your name. How much you will get? For example, if I am counting my characters in the name, how much I will get? Yes, R E E J A, 6. So if I am entering my name, What is the size of the string? 6. Look at the example given in the screen. String XYZ. The size is 3. Welcome. The size is 7. But if your string literal has an escape sequence contained in, then make sure to count the escape sequence as one character. That is, look at the examples given. Backslash backslash. That is considered to be a escape sequence. The next one, ABC. You will get 3 as the size. The next one, slash AB. Here, slash A is counted as one character only. Why? Because it is an escape sequence. So that we will get the size as 2. Mira's toy. You will get 11. Vicky's 7. You can check the size using len function of Python. Python offers an len of function for what? For checking the size of anything. The len function we can also use for checking the size of a string. For example, len of ABC and press enter, it will show the size as 3. For a multiple line string created with the triple quotes, how to count the characters? Then escape sequence like slash n is counted. Single, double quotes, EOL is not counted. That is AB backslash. Here backslash is not counted. That is why the data value become 6. AB, BC, CD. Whereas civil lines can pour, we will get one additional character, that is slash n, for new line. That is why the length become 18. My dear children, I think you are all clear about how to calculate the size of string. Thank you.